Yo, we've got the Google Nest Hub Max here, and we're going to try out a Duo call. It would help if I turn this thing on though, wouldn't it? So you can't make calls from this device using Duo, but you can receive them. So you can see I'm getting a phone call in here. I'll hit accept, and you can see there's Dave. Hello, Dave.
Hello.
Hello. So you can see the main phone call here. You can turn the volume up and down through the controls, either through there or on the back. And if I tap on the screen here, I can make myself look bigger while Dave in the corner is the main attraction here. So we can mute. So Dave, can you hear me? That just switches off my microphone, so he should be able to hear me now. Can you hear me, Dave?
Yeah.
Yeah, so from here you can switch off the camera so I can't be seen, and I have yet to work out what this thing does though. I don't know what this thing actually does. So if I do make myself bigger, and then that's what she said, and then anyway, what we do is that I have no idea what this does. Dave, are you seeing any changes on the screen when I press this button?
The camera moves a bit down.
Yeah, I see that on mine. So the camera changes a little bit, but it doesn't do anything great. But hey ho. So the camera quality looks pretty good. You can receive Duo calls, but you can't make Duo calls from this display. But it's still pretty cool if you don't have a landline and you want to ring a certain person. Once that this display has got a number tied to it, then you can receive phone calls through Duo. So Dave's just called my mobile number, and that is linked to this device through Duo, so hence why it comes through on this device, which is pretty cool. So thanks for the call, Dave. Yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. Bye bye. And we're back to the home screen again here. So Duo, I like Duo pretty well, considering it's the end of the landline. Basically, you don't necessarily need to have a landline to receive calls. Now, to make calls, it would be good if there was a Duo application on this display, so my kids or anyone else for that matter could make Duo calls. But that could be done via a software update in the future, maybe. Please, Nest, Google.